How's it going everyone? Yan is here from AppGeeker.com. Today I'm going to talk about what to do if your iPhone screen is glitching. This is a common issue with the iPhone display, and some people have reported that the glitching iPhone screen. iPhone 11 screen is completely glitching and unresponsive. The iPhone 8 screen is glitching from the bottom of the phone down all the way to the top. The iPhone 7 has been glitching and stopped working. And the iPhone 5s screen is cracked and the screen is glitching. No matter what your iPhone or iOS is, here are some troubleshooting steps to fix an iPhone screen glitch issue. If your iPhone flickers, freezes, flashes, or blacks out, then the first thing you can do is hard reset. The screen becomes glitch might be due to software crash. The way you do a hard reset depends on which iPhone you have. On iPhone 8, 10, 10s, 10R, 11, 12, or newer models, press and hold the volume up button, press and release volume down button, then press and hold the side button until Apple logo appears. On iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, press and hold volume down button and side button at the same time until you see the Apple logo. On iPhone 6s or an earlier model than that, press and hold the home button and the power button, and when Apple logo shows up on the display, release the buttons. If a hard reset didn't resolve the issue and your iPhone screen is completely unresponsive and keep glitching, try to use iOS system recovery. You can get a smart tool from AppGeeker.com. The program is capable of detecting iOS issues and fix your iPhone efficiently. It can deal with screen being glitching or frozen, being stuck on Apple logo, spinning wheel, and many other symptoms. So launch the software on your computer. Click More Tools. Click iOS System Recovery. Click Start. Now connect your iPhone to your computer. Once it's connected, choose Standard Mode. It's good enough for minor software problems. Click Confirm. Now select an iOS firmware for your iPhone and download it instantly. Wait for the download to finish. And once done, click Fix to remedy the issue. It's all that simple. Look, my iPhone is not glitching anymore, congrats. Next, turn back to some basic solutions to fix iPhone screen that glitches out. Turning off auto brightness feature may help. It's helpful if the screen flickers start and then bright. Go to Settings tab, tap Accessibility, tap Display and tap Sign. Toggle off the switch next to the auto brightness. Go back to the home screen to see if your iPhone screen starts glitching or flickering. Whenever you have a glitching iPhone display, Apple support gives you guys advice to take off the phone case and screen protector. Plus, make sure the screen is free of debris or water and cleaned it with microfiber cloths. So let's move to the next case. Are you facing iPhone screen glitch on a specific application like the FaceTime app? If that's true, then the issue is mostly likely with that app, not the iPhone itself. This could be the minor software problem, and the troubleshooting solution starts from closing the app from the app switcher. If you have an iPhone 10 or later, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to the center, then swipe up on the glitching app to close it. With iPhone 8 or earlier, double-click the home button to open the app switcher, then swipe up the app preview until it disappears. After that, open the app again to see if the problem persists. See, my iPhone screen stopped glitching and works as normal. If your iPhone screen is still glitching after closing the app, try to delete it. To delete an app, touch and hold the app. Tap Remove App. Then in the notification, tap Delete App. Tap Delete to confirm. Alright, you need to reinstall the app to see if the iPhone screen is glitching. Go to App Store and find the app. Tap the download icon to the right of the app to reinstall it. If the app continues to glitching, you can also look to see if there's any update for it in the App Store. As a last step, you can try to DFU Restore your iPhone with a glitching screen. DFU stands for Device Firmware Upgrade and is an advanced restoring process to get a glitching iPhone back into working order. We have a tutorial in the card above or in the description below, walking you through the whole process. Now try the hardware issue. Have you dropped your iPhone on the floor and the screen started glitching out? Or have you dropped your iPhone into the water? If yes, the LCD screen cable connector which connects to the logic board may loose, and thus your iPhone becomes glitching or flickering. Try to turn back your iPhone, apply some pressure on it. With any luck, the screen works normally again. If your iPhone got wet, the display part which shows the image on the screen might be damaged. You have no way but to visit your local Apple Store and Apple authorized service provider. The expert will run a diagnostic test to see if the hardware is at fault and replace the display if necessary. Be sure to make an appointment at the Genius Art regarding screen repair for your iPhone. Don't try to disassemble the screen yourself, as the process is pretty complicated, which involves removing the screws on your iPhone, taking off the screen, reconnecting the LCD screen cable connector, and removing the battery, and then reconnecting everything back in place. Hopefully, the expert could repair the glitching display of your iPhone. Okay, that's all possible tips when your iPhone screen is glitching out. If any of that helps you fix the iPhone screen glitch issue, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to AppGeeker's channel, and hit the bell to get notification whenever we share a video. You can also leave your comment below. See you in the next video.